Alright, so here's my review of the ActiveAQUA 3x6 flood table, a Hydrofarm. Overall, the outsides and structural support seem pretty adequate for most things that you would want to do with a flood tray. However, almost all four of them came with a molding issue. So coming out of the mold, there was a part of the die that was not getting enough material. So the injection molding was light in one corner. And I have that on all four of these trays. You can see there's a little spot of light coming through that corner. Again, it's very light, but it's there. This one didn't come all the way through, but you can see it's light. The plastic is stressed. It's got that white on it. And you can see there's a lot of material here. There's a lot of material here, and then you see it divot in. It's real thin right here. Would it hold water in the event the flooding went past the current level? That's to be seen, but it's very likely that it's going to fail. On the fourth tray that I got here, again, it's not all the way through, but it's showing the same lack of material at just one part of the corner. So almost a perfect tray, but every single one of these shouldn't have passed QC. That should have definitely been scrapped and remade. Overall, if you are on racks that don't fully support the weight of the flood tray, you're going to have leveling issues no matter what. This tray has to have full support all the way through the rib base in order to accurately level the flood tray. Otherwise, the ribbing inside, flow is good. Everything else works as it should. And as you can see, the thickness, putting my thumbnail in here as a measure if my phone would focus, can hold up to, planting and cleaning on a regular basis. So I don't know if I'm gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. But all four of them had the same corner discrepancy in the molding process.